Hola, clase, buenos dias. I wanted to talk through all your assignments for this week. So on Monday, first thing says, make a copy of my awesome to-do list if that will help you. I posted this last week. If it would help you, make a copy. Then it says, answer the question below for 25 points. So if I scroll all the way down, it says, did you try the list? You can say yes or no, doesn't matter. Just answering the question gets you the points. Number 2, try one of these mindfulness exercises. There's Miss Russell doing relieve anxiety quickly, Miss Shu doing progressive muscle relaxation, and if you think, oh, those are too long, I don't like mindfulness, then this is 59 seconds. Everyone has 59 seconds. Try this one. So it says you need to listen to one or more of these and answer the questions below. Question just says, did you try the mindfulness exercise? What did you think? Number 3, updated resources. Read and then tell me, did you find a resource you didn't already know about? Number 4, answer a couple quick questions. They're the same questions every week. How are you doing? Can I help you with anything? How's life going? Number 5, play a couple Quizlet games. There are now 2. There's the vocab one you had before, and then a subjunctive one. So split your time between the two. So if you're doing 10 to 15 minutes, do 5 to 10 of the vocab, 5 to 10 of the subjunctive, but spend time on whatever's harder. Now, I don't need a screenshot or anything. Watch the video, that's what you're doing now, and then answer the questions below. Be sure you answer the question, and that says, sorry, I wanted to unhighlight that for you. That says, did you watch the video? You're not going to lose points if you don't. Is it helpful? I just want feedback. 7, try a different Google Classroom view. I really, really like this. You go to class and then classwork and then view your work. It gives you a really, really, really good view of all your work. I think it's really easy to read. There's also, if you go to your to-do list, instead of all classes, you can click and just pick a certain class. And then missing work is due on Wednesday for interims. Today is Monday. Missing work is due on Wednesday for interims. You should have all of weeks 1 to 4 turned in by Wednesday. If you're not sure what you've turned in, email Profe. If you're overwhelmed and it's impossible to get it in by Wednesday, email me to discuss it. Tuesday, play a couple Quizlet games and Quizlet Learn. And then watch 2 videos about tourism in Uruguay. Each person is stating things they want to happen on their vacation, so subjunctive, because they don't know if it's going to happen or not. So match the items in the boxes. So here are the videos. They're pretty short, just a minute, and they're each going to say ojalá que, and then what they hope happens. Ojalá nos haga buen tiempo. So the videos are both pretty short, under a minute, and then you can match them. So for this is the first one, and this was the first guy we heard, and he said, ojalá nos haga buen tiempo. So you can copy that down. You may either answer this on Cami, or you actually have a paper copy of this. I gave it to you on the last day of school. So if you prefer to write your answers on the worksheet and then upload those somehow, that's fine. So you're going to match these 10 with what they say. If you can't hear one, skip it. Save it for last. There's only 10. There's no extras. And then on the second one, you're going to do the same thing, except there's 2 blank ones. So for these blank ones over here, I want you to tell me what you hope happens this summer, starting with ojalá que, and you'll earn 50 points. If you do it on Cami, you don't have to post it, but if you do it on a worksheet, can you please post your pictures here so that I will keep them all together and organized on number 10. All right, Wednesday, Quizlet, and then today is just a day to work on missing work. If you have any work that you need to do from weeks 1 to 4, you can work on that today. If you have any questions, I will be hosting Google Meets at all the odd hours. So if you have questions, you can come ask me at 1, 3, 5, or 7 p.m. Here's how you enter the Meet and then you can ask me questions. If you want me to ask me questions about your grade, email me and we can do an individual Google Meet. Thursday, Quizlet. Thursday is Google Hangouts. So all the Spanish teachers have Google Hangouts on Thursday. You can ask anyone questions about Spanish. You can ask me questions about anything. Read the tweets quiero un novio que and quiero una novia que. For each one, you are going to mark some subjunctive verbs, put a check if you agree and X if you don't for at least 20 between the two, and then complete the tweet on the bottom. So here, I'm going to read this statement, and it says, quiero un novio que sea alta, por favor. So it says, I want a boyfriend that is tall, please. So I would underline the sea right there. For the quiero un novio que, mark at least 18. I think there's a couple more, but they were ones I thought might trick you. And for quiero una novia que, mark at least 22. And again, you can mark this with Cami, or if you prefer, you have a paper copy of this. So if you want to write your answers on worksheets, you can, and then submit a picture. Mark a check or X if you agree for at least 20 between the two. So there's 24, so 20. Is this important to you? Do you want a friend or girlfriend who knows how to play an instrument? Then on the bottom, you're going to write your own tweet. You can write, I want a boyfriend, friend, or girlfriend, friend, whatever you want. Any of those are fine with me. And then submit below for 50 points. If you submit on Cami, you do not have to submit a picture below. And then we have the last thing for Thursday. Read the tweets molesta que and cosas que espero que sucedan algún día. Again, you have a paper copy or you can do it on Cami. These look a little bit different. So for these, you are going to mark the verbs, 10 plus on molesta que, what bothers them, and 12 plus on things that I hope happen someday. Then mark retreat or C if you agree, and mark a X or no if you disagree for at least 15 total, and there are 20 total. And then write your own. One tweet of what bothers you, one of what you hope happens one day, just at the bottom. And that is Thursday. Either submit it down here, or if you submit it already on Cami, no problem. Friday, play some Quizlet games and then screenshot both of your Quizlet Learn scores. So I'm going to post my screenshots right there, and that'll earn me 50 points. Take a subjunctive quiz. You can retake it as many times as you would like, so please have no resources out around you. And do 1, 2, or 3 quarter homework assignments. You need to submit 200 total points by the end of the quarter, and you can do 50 points extra credit for a total of 250. So do 1, 2, or 3 assignments, and that'll keep you up to date. Lastly, email me if you have any questions on anything. I'm here to help you. Just let me know.